I got in the middle.
Thanks, man. Alright, fellas, what we got here today? Flat tire. So, we're gonna get this thing off. Woke up this morning, the trailer was leaning, so get this thing off, man. Alright, now we got that thing off. So, gonna grab us another tire, man. Slap that tire on there. And, get it swapped out. Get back on the road, fellas. Alright, so fellas, I had to go get a new one. I thought it was, found that little nail in it, and I thought that's what it was, but it turned out that my tire was splitting pretty bad, so it's a new tire. We're gonna throw this one on. Back on there, so ready to go. And I got lucky, actually. I got real lucky that this happened to happen as I woke up this morning and just happened to see it in my driveway. So got real lucky, man. So let's change the tire on the trailer. Put my jack right here. Now, if I'm doing it wrong or something, you guys let me know, fill me in. But I have my jack right there, lifted it up. First I undid the bolts first a little bit, got them loose. Put the jack up, got it up, unloosen those bolts, pull the tire off, get it back on, get those bolts back on there, drop the tire down, tighten it up. Rise and grind, man. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the thumbs up, like the video. Man, and I'm raising prices, so it is what it is. I got 11 yards down today. Wrote down, I ain't knocked down 11 yet, so we're gonna see if we get to 11. But I got 11 wrote down, man, and I was sitting down looking at my prices, and I calculated what I'm charging right now compared to what I really should be charging. I'm missing out on about $145. So next year, man, I'm raising the prices. And I know a lot of guys, man, they really, well, I watch a lot of the bigger channels, but I watch more of the smaller channels. But the bigger channel guys, or who are binge watchers, sit down and watch during the winter time. Cause man, let's just be real. We all want to be like a Brian's Lawn Maintenance, like a Blades of Grass, like who else out there, man? It's a lot of channels, man. It's a lot of guys. Keith, who else, man? Spencer's Lawn Care. You know, it's a lot of guys out there with those big channels. Those guys got big like that for putting it in the grind. And like I say, a lot of us be kidding ourselves. We said we didn't want to be, or didn't want to grow as big as some of those channels. For me, I know that's me. I want to grow. I don't want to be just, you know, stuck rotating the same clients. I'm more of a business guy, man. I'm more like, I'm local right now where I'm at, but I got the mindset of global. That's my mindset. So, you know, I study some of those guys, man. Another guy, get up every morning, I watch them. Mike Andes, you know what I'm saying? Great videos, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can study some of those guys like Mike, teach you how to really grow a business. Mike Andes, Brian. I heard Brian with a video one time talk about the card process. And I watched the old video from Brian talking to Lawn Care Juggernaut. And Lawn Care Juggernaut was telling Brian, you know, like how he took Brian's system and implemented it into his with the credit card processing and payments. And ever since then, he's never missed a payment. Said the only time he ever missed a payment was when he didn't do that. So, I mean, man, like Blades of Grass, man, he's got that radius down to the T when it comes to efficiency. And just being right there, don't have to go a lot of places, and can get his money. So, I mean, we have to be like, I ain't gonna say I would have to be bull crapping myself to say I don't want to be like some of those channels. All I gotta do is sit down and study those guys. They're giving us the blueprint. It's laid out. The blueprint is laid out, man. And yesterday I had a flat tire. And woke up. I'm glad I was at home. Glad I was sitting in the driveway. Woke up, I noticed the trailer was leaning. Flat tire on the trailer. So like with equipment, man, we gotta, like those prices gotta go up. There's no way around it. The prices have got to go up in order to be able to grow and not be stuck at one spot. Like I say, nobody wants to, I ain't gonna say nobody, some people are really comfortable and cool where they at. That's cool, that's fine. But man, I see myself as like 10 years. I look at myself in 10 years, man. I wanna have some of the same customers that I got now in 10 years. I wanna have those same people. Think about if you got it where you can make 60, 70, 80 grand, 100 grand during the lawn season. You do that for 10 years, that's $1 million. So, you gotta look at it like that, man. Well, I gotta look at it like that. To each his own, but that's how I look at it. And then, you know, I study Mike with those systems, Mike Andes with those systems and stuff. And man, you get your system down, man, you can have you some employees. You could really be on the management side of this thing, out of these grassy clothes and boots, and be on the management side of things, growing your business, growing your company. It's still your company. It's still your name. It's still you doing how you want it done. It's your business. So, you know, I just want to, that's my little spiel on that, because I'm in the growing, man. I'm not in the stand in one spot. I'm in the constant growth, constant elevation, constant evolving. That's the whole life cycle, is evolution. So, man, with that, my prices, they got to go up next year. But with my prices going up, people are still getting quality. I don't really care about the quantity of a bunch of yards. I'd rather do some nice yards I can do quality work on and get my pay, or get what I want. Because I'm just going to be real, like me being out here every day and just the life I live, and I got kids, and man, I need to be bringing in at least $500 a day. That's me. I don't know where everybody else is at with it, and that's low end when you get to talking to some of the companies like Brian's Lawn Maintenance. You get to talking to somebody maybe like Spencer and them over there. You get to talking to somebody like Mike Andes, Blades of Grass. That might be a low day for those guys. So I want to set the bar high. But I at least need, that's just me, I at least need $500 coming in a day. That's just me. And I feel like if I can get myself to 500, I can get myself to $1,000 a day. It can be done. Man, it's all a numbers game, man. Everything comes down to numbers. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. It comes down to numbers, man. You have to find a way to get you a system. You have to find a way to write those numbers up, sit down, get you a plan, and do some numbers. And get to breaking that thing down, see where you're missing at, what you're lacking, where I ain't getting this right here, and figure out a way to make up for that and fill it in. And, you know, that's my advice being out here for my 3rd year in it. ready to go into my 4th year next year, Lord willing. And next year, I'm not gonna play with it. I'm gonna have communities that I've really just got locked down. That's just me. I wanna have a whole block or two. That's Monday. I got another block or two over here. That's Tuesday. I got another block over here. That's Wednesday. And I'm doing 11, 12, 15 yards in those areas. That's me. That's where I'm trying to get to. So, and there's a lot of the small channels, man, that I watch that I believe do just as good as some of those big guys, man. You got Elite Landscape over there doing his thing. Ray over there doing his thing. Who else you got? Some of those smaller guys, man, that come to mind, man. I'm over here, hold on. I'm in a high traffic area right now, so it's kind of hard for me to think. It's where my trailer got hit from the back last year, so. But yeah, man, you got quite a few of those smaller channels, man, that's really doing great. Upscale, my boy Upscale, man. Upscale does a great job. Seems like he's got his business in order, got his things together over there, man. You know, you can watch the bigger channels, smaller channels, but just don't be out here not growing, man. Try to grow, try to learn, try to grow. They give you the applications, you just have to apply it. They give you the applications on there, man, just apply it. So
I got in the middle.
what up, guys? Almost about to hit evening. The day didn't go as planned, so man, what happened was I ended up tripping over this earlier. When I tripped over this, I ended up ripping out that, fellas. And after my trailer got hit last year, you go look at one of my videos when my trailer got hit, I had to go get that fixed. So I went and got that fixed, and while I was there, my trailer back gate's been sliding off. You can see right there, it's got that little space. Check out what he did. He welded, and he put this right here on there. That little thing right there. He welded that on so the gate won't slide off. So, thought that was pretty neat. So, they didn't go to plan, man. They don't always go as planned. Live to fight another one. So, man, I'm tired, fellas. I'm about to get out of here. Out of that list of 11, I got 10 of them done. So, I still got it done except one. I'm going to go knock that out in the morning. Holler at you guys, man. Y'all have a good one. I'm out of here.
Start smoking.